some people joined, so I don't have to repeat myself twice. Alright. Hey guys, so today I have a new YouTube video coming out. It's super funny. It's last to leave the handcuffs. Yeah! Yeah, the squad had a sleepover. So, yeah, the girl squad. So, Piper's drying her hair. But yeah, if you want to see more of the girl squad and the squad in general, make sure to head over to my new YouTube video. It's last to leave the handcuffs, and it got like really crazy. Like maybe like Hayden might have kissed Emily. Okay, just go watch the video. It was
what? Okay, tea was spilled.
Tea was spilled. Okay, it was really interesting, really funny. So yeah, we just got Starbucks. Okay,
I'm here too.
Here's Piper. Yes. So make sure to go watch my video. I'm going to be chatting with you guys, and all the girl squad is over. If my camera would flip. Okay, there you go. That's my YouTube video, so make sure to go watch it after this. There we go. But, yeah, thanks. So basically, where is your drink? Did you get Piper a drink?
Yeah, I think one for her.
No.
Did they forget the drink?
Oh, no.
Is it this one? Yes.
Okay, guys.
No. We'll go get you.
Okay, yeah. Hi, Junior Time Reacts. Guys, Junior Time Reacts said hi. Okay, so yeah, make sure to go watch my new YouTube video. I'm gonna hop off here and go have some Starbucks. But yeah, make sure to go watch it. It was crazy. Tea got spilled. And Claire was in it too, which is fun.
Okay, I'll be right back. Maybe same way, right?
Alright, so go watch it. And I was about to say something. Oh, you're going to be chatting with the whole girl squad because everyone's going to be taking over my premiere chat. Alright, bye guys. Love you. Bye.